Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. My name is Mehta and today we are going to have our art and craft class. And today we are going to make origami fish. Have you seen a fish? A fish lives in water. It cannot survive outside water. Fish have two eyes, fins, gills and a tail. Fish breathe through gills. Small fishes eat sea plants and big fishes eat small fishes. Now let's start our activity. For this activity you will require one art sheet, two big square cutouts, two small square cutouts, crayons, glue and sketch pen. Take one big square cutout and fold it like this into half and make crease. Can you tell me which shape it looks like? It looks like triangle, right? Now we will apply some glue on the end. And stick it. We will do the same with the other three also. Take glue and apply glue on the small triangle at the end of the small triangle like this, and stick the big triangle like this, and our fish is ready. We will do the same thing with the other two triangles also. Now we will make eyes, fins and tails of the fishes with different color sketch pen. Take one art sheet and start making seagrass. Take dark green color and make seagrass like this. Now fill them with light green color. Now we will make water waves with light blue and dark blue color. Like this. Now we will stick our fishes on the art sheet. Now make bubbles with light blue color sketch pen. Our origami fish is ready. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Do try at your home, please. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.